everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3x plus 1 times 7x plus 1 is equals to 17 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm going to multiply with 3x with the next whole bracket. So 3x times 7x is 21x square. Now 3x times 1 is plus 3x. Similarly, I am going to multiply plus 1 with the next bracket. So 1 times 7x is 7x. 1 times 1 is 1 is equals to 17. So 21x square plus 3x plus 7x is 10x plus 1 minus 17 is equals to 0. So 21x square plus 10x minus 16 is equals to 0. Now it's look like a quadratic equation. So we can do the middle term split method. So we can write this 10x as 24x minus 14x minus 16 is equals to 0. Now from first two terms, I can take 3x as common. So 7x plus 8. Similarly from here, minus 2 as common. So 7x plus 8. Now 7x plus 8 is common. So 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. So we have two roots, either 7x plus 8 is equals to 0 or 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. So 7x is equals to negative 8 and x is equals to negative 8 by 7. From here, 3x is equals to 2, x is equals to 2 by 3. So these are the two values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.